Hi, I know some of you were wanting a way to test your kids without having to print out the paper test. So last year I had created all of my reading tests on Nearpod and was wanting to show you how to do that as well. You'll have to create a free account to start, and then once you create your account, you'll get in here and you'll be able to create new tests. So the first thing you'll need to do is create new lesson. And then you can title this whatever you want. I'll just do a test here. And then in the settings, you can add a little description here if you want. Choose your grade level, and then also the subject. And hit submit. Then you'll want to add slide and add an activity. Here are the different options. You can either have an open-ended question, which will be like a typed answer, short answer type, poll, quiz, or draw it. I start with my quiz questions. Then you can enter your question here. What is the date? And you can have many different options for an answer here. Monday, Tuesday. You can, if you want more answers, you can click add an answer. Wednesday. And then once you've had all of the answers that you want for choices here, you're going to want to click the correct answer. So I might say today is Monday. Don't forget this step, otherwise you won't have an answer to the question. So it's very important. If you have one that you don't want, you can always delete it here. Okay. That's for one question. If you want to add another question, you can just keep clicking here, add question, to add more questions to your test. I'm going to go back to my library and show you one that I've already created. For instance, this one, which is Mystic Horse, one of their books that we read. My reading tests have two parts. I have the quiz part and then also the open-ended question, because I want them to have a short answer as well. So you can always go back into your test later and add things, add a slide, or edit them. But I'll kind of show you what my questions look like here. So I have all of the questions with the answers. I've chosen the correct answer there. So they're all kind of listed out. And then you can hit save. Also, there's the open-ended. It says, want to add a video reference? You can add videos here also to help if you have a video clip and you want them to answer questions on that. For now, I'm going to say no thanks. Here's my open-ended question. What is the main lesson or theme of the story? Explain your answer and support it with details from the story. So here's where you can add other media. You can always edit this, but I like it the way it is, so I'm going to hit save. And then you can always preview your quizzes as well. So you can see exactly what the students are going to see. Here's the essay question, and then here are the multiple choice. They can choose and then keep going to the next slide. Okay, I'm going to exit out of that. Eventually, once you have all of your tests created, you'll have a My Library, so all of these will be And here I have, grammar quizzes, lots of different things. You can also explore and search for tests that might already be pre-made or in the library. There's different filters, so you can search by subject or by standards. There's Nearpod VR. Here's your subjects you can search by. So before creating your own, you can always look and see if they might already have a quiz that's discussing the topic in science that you are, or digital citizenship. I hope this helped you to learn how to create a Nearpod quiz. Thanks.